Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is June 14th, and we are going to take a look at Palantir stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. So Palantir basically going sideways. It's up 18 cents, but this is just noise. It closed at 782. So let's look at what we have here. So we had a big drop down yesterday. It started really Friday, this break on Friday and then on Monday. So right now we are making a lower high and making a higher low. We are basically undecided. The stock needs to understand what is happening a little bit. Going to see the 1 hour chart. So first hour of the day went quite high significantly. We broke 792, but came back down and tried to break it during the day. See it, look at this, trying to go up, and then boom, it comes here and nobody wants to pay more than 792 so far. Nobody was willing to pay more than that because there were enough sellers to satisfy the buyers. So why pay more when you can get it at less? And then we came back down a little bit. Stochastic, even on the 1 hour chart, stochastic is quite low at the 29. This little move up meant nothing. Technically, this is just noise. Unless we go higher than stochastic over 60, and unless we break this downward resistance right here, the stock can do what it wants. It's just noise. We can act if it breaks this with a good stochastic, or if you are already in a short position, just let it go because it might keep going down. Let's go see the daily chart. So stochastic at 21, MACD still broken over bullish, and the rest of the indicators are in the red. So let's see what the rest of the week holds for us. So there are many news coming out, but what is important is not the news that's coming out, but how people interpret that news. So that's the big factor that we need to think about. So news is one thing, but how people interpret the news is a whole other kettle of fish or something like that. So what we concentrate here is look at the interpretation that people are giving the news by looking at the stock price and the chart. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. You can click on my TradingView affiliate link. I wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.